this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and I am back with another video for you, just like I said I would have for you. So I recently made a purchase online, but before I jump into this unboxing of my first time ever purchasing from this company, I want to give a shout out to two fellow YouTube sisters. First, I want to give a shout out to iCandy1, because if it wasn't for her, I would not even know about this company. So, you know, word of mouth is the best form of advertisement. So thank you, Candy, for passing on the goodness. Then I want to give a shout out to, speaking of goodness, Brittany Good, because Brittany uploaded a video, maybe it was a couple of months ago, advocating supporting Black-owned businesses. And when I watched that video, it made me feel a bit ashamed that as a business major and an African-American woman, I have not made a conscious and concerted effort to support Black-owned businesses, especially locally within my area. Now, I have supported or patronized Black-owned businesses, but it's not like I've researched them, gone out of my way. As a matter of fact, I only know of a couple in my area, and I'm sure there's more than a couple. So thanks to Brittany, I have made, you know, more of a conscious effort to kind of seek those things out. So when I watched the video that Candy uploaded, it made me think of Brittany's video, and it reminded me that I needed to, you know, check out this company. Candy said they were Black-owned, and then when she showed the item that she purchased, I was sold, because it was a novelty item, and you know I'm all into novelty and nostalgic things. So I'm just going to share with you the company. I've already snipped the top to make it easier to get into. This is the company logo, Gritty Soul. Love that name. So Gritty Soul is Black-owned, and it's an independently Black-owned, meaning they're not a boutique. They do not purchase from a wholesaler and then resell. So I'll leave a link to their video that tells about their company below, so you can check it out. I'll also leave a link to the website as well. I'll leave a link to Brittany's video as well as Candy's video. So this is not a sponsored video. This is just me giving word of mouth and passing along what I've learned. So let's see what everything looks like. So this, like I said, is the packaging. And I saw how everything was packaged from Candy's video, and I was really impressed with how well they packaged. So it came bubble wrapped, and what I got are the gold 45 record adapters. If you do not know what a 45 record adapter is, then that probably means you were born in the 80s. But if you were born in the 70s like me, you know what that is. So the 45 adapter is something that you would pop in the center of a 45 record and then be able to play it on your record player because the whole center hole was too big on its own. So you needed something to make it play on a regular record player. So I'll give you a little bit of history on that later, but check out this packaging. Very nice black and white box with the gold stamping of logo. I love that. And then you have your little bow ribbon, and it opens like that. And there's a little magnetic, I like that, very, very nice. Black interior, and then it has a little satin drawstring bag. How cute is that? You know us girls love nice packaging. And it's a nice satiny drawstring. And here are the earrings. This is what a 45 adapter looks like, guys, for those of you who did not know. All right, I'm gonna take a moment to switch out my earrings real quick so you can see what they look like. So there are the 45 adapter gold earrings. Isn't that cute? Absolutely love these. So adorable. So, you know, like I say, they're just a novelty item. They're a conversation piece, and they're just really, really cute. So let me tell you how much these cost. So these were, I think they were 30 something. It doesn't show the price on here, but I think they were 30 something with tax, and I did get a little bit of a discount on it, a 10% discount, since I was a first time buyer from there, but the price is not on here. But like I said, I do believe they were 30 something. I'll leave it on the split screen so you can see the pricing of them. But absolutely love it. So this is what I have to say about my first time purchasing from Gritty Soul. Would I purchase from them again? Yes, because their shipment was expeditious. I love the packaging. As you can see, they came very well packaged, very well branded, and I just really, really like them. So I'll be keeping an eye out for more things as they come out with new items on their site. And I also will be making more of a concerted effort to support my locally Black-owned businesses and those that are online as well. So let me know in the comments below if you're an avid supporter of Black-owned businesses. Do you advocate for that? Do you go out of your way for that? Or were you kind of like me and just you supported them but kind of randomly, not making, you know, a concerted effort? But I really, really just like this community. I must say that we learn so much from each other. So make sure you go check out those ladies that I'm leaving in the link below. I love you all. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because he loves us so much. Oh, you know what? And I'm going to leave you with a little bit of history on the 45 adapter in case you are not in the know. Bye.
The 45 RPM was first brought to the market by the Webster Chicago Corporation, sometimes referred to as Webcor. These inserts were comprised of solid zinc and somewhat difficult to connect to records. RCA Corporation brought a new insert to the market known as the Spider. This yellow and sometimes red plastic insert snapped in to allow 45 RPM records to be compatible with the comparably small 33 1/3 RPM record player's spindle. Thomas Hutchinson created this device. His Spider was quite popular during the 60s, with sales breaching the $10 million mark per year.